In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track changes and comments in Excel. If you want to review edits in a workbook and understand what has been changed over time, Excel makes that process very simple. This is especially helpful when you are working in a shared file or checking updates that were made after your last review. The Show Changes feature gives you a clear history of recent edits, so you can quickly see what happened and where it happened. To begin, open your Excel workbook and go to the Review tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains several tools related to proofreading, collaboration, and revision tracking. Once you are on the Review tab, look for the Show Changes option and click it. As soon as you select Show Changes, a task pane will appear on the right side of the Excel window. This pane is where Excel displays a running list of edits that have been made in the workbook. It is designed to give you a clear and organized view of recent activity without forcing you to search through the sheet manually. Inside the task pane, you will be able to see who made each edit, which cells were changed, and the timestamp for when each change happened. This is useful because it helps you connect each update to a specific person and a specific moment. If you are reviewing collaborative work, this can make it much easier to verify updates, spot mistakes, or understand how the workbook has evolved. As you look through the list, pay attention to the cell references and timing of the edits. That information can help you identify the most recent updates and locate important changes faster. The task pane acts like a simple activity log, so it gives you a practical way to monitor changes without interrupting your workflow. This feature is best used when you need quick visibility into workbook edits. It saves time and gives you more confidence when reviewing shared spreadsheets. If you are comparing updates or checking whether information was changed, this pane gives you the details you need in one place. That covers everything you need to know.